Hello kids, today we learn animals' names with toys.
I am a rabbit. I am a chicken.
I am a dog.
I'm a goat.
I am a bird.
I am a panda.
I am a pig.
I am a deer.
I am a bear.
I am a fox.
I am an alligator.
I am an owl.
I am an elephant.
I am a koala.
I am a penguin.
I am a frog.
I am a butterfly. I am a cat.
I'm a cow. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.